Okay, today we're going to read Polluting Our Planet. So, pollution happens when a harmful material is added to the environment. Not only is the planet impacted by pollution, but humans, animals, and natural resources are as well. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, all cause problems on Earth. Air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful material is released into the air. Air pollution can come from cars, trucks, and factories. When harmful materials such as smoke and chemicals are released in the air, it can make it hard for people to breathe. To help reduce air pollution, people can ride their bikes or walk if they are able to. This helps reduce the amount of exhaust released in the air from cars. We've got a picture up here and a caption. So our caption says, the United States works to monitor the amount of smoke factories release into the air. Cities such as Los Angeles and Philadelphia have some of the worst air conditions because of pollution. Land pollution. Land pollution can happen when people throw trash in the wrong place. People often throw garbage on the ground instead of in the trash can. Chemicals from trash can get into the soil. Those chemicals can then get into food grown in the soil. Placing trash in the correct place can help lessen land pollution. However, it does not solve all of the problems. While landfills are designed to store people's trash, they can cause pollution too. The trash does not decompose or break down quickly. Chemicals from the trash then get into the ground and air. Water pollution. Water pollution can happen when materials such as trash or oil are released in the water. Rain can also wash pollution from the air and land into water. Water is a natural resource important to people and animals. Drinking polluted water can make animals and people sick. Animals often try to eat trash found in the water because they think it is food. Water pollution is a serious problem in America. In fact, about 40% of rivers and lakes in the United States are too polluted to safely swim in or catch fish in. They give us a glossary over here. So we've got the word exhaust, which is chemicals released from a car or other vehicle. We have natural resources, which are materials found in nature. And we have the word released, which means put out or let go. So now we're going to go to the next story in here where it says conserving resources. A natural resource is a material found in nature. Natural resources cannot be made by people, but are used by people. Natural resources include air, soil, coal, and natural gas. Many natural resources are non-renewable, which means they cannot be replaced in a human lifetime. Resources are being used up too quickly. In order to conserve Earth's resources, people must reduce, reuse, and recycle resources. How can I reduce? To reduce resources means to use less of them. By using less resources, people are saving them for the future. One way to reduce the use of a natural resource, such as water, is to turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth. Many people reduce how much gasoline they use by riding a bike or carpooling with others. Carpooling and riding bikes also reduces air pollution created from the exhaust of cars. How can I reuse? To reuse a resource means to use something over and over again. Throwing an item away after one use is wasteful, but using it again and again can save resources. For example, many people reuse glass plates for eating meals. After washing a plate, it can be used again. However, if someone uses paper or styrofoam plates, they can only be used once and then must be thrown away. How can I recycle? Recycling is when items are broken down and made into something new. By recycling, people save room in landfills. Items such as glass, paper, and plastic can be recycled. Only about 34% of recyclable items are actually recycled in the United States each year. Materials that are not recycled are sent to landfills, which are quickly filling up. Landfills can cause land, air, and water pollution. Recycling creates more space in landfills and less pollution. So we've got a picture over here of a recycle truck, and it tells us many cities have recycling programs where trucks collect materials to be recycled from your home. Some cities have recycling centers where people can turn in their recyclable materials for money. And we have our glossary over here where it says carpooling, when several people ride in the same car together. Conserve, which means to use less of or to save. And then landfills. Landfills are large areas of land where trash is stored.